Good evening, candidates. Today, Monetary Policy Committee has announced changes in the rates, and I think it has been posted in our Telegram pages also. It has been revised by, say, 50 basis points, like the CRR. Sorry, the the present repo rate has been revised from 4.40 to 4.90, and the marginal standing facility rate has been revised from 4.15 to 4.65. 4.65. Yeah, and accordingly the bank rate also stands revised by 50 basis points. So now let us see this in what our say the governor of Reserve Bank of India says.
Fostering macroeconomic stability. Let me now focus on the decisions and deliberations of the Monetary Policy Committee meetings, the meeting which we had recently. Against this background, the Monetary Policy Committee, that is MPC, met on 6th, 7th, and 8th of June. And based on an assessment of the macroeconomic situation and the outlook, the MPC voted unanimously to increase the policy repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.90% with immediate effect. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is the SDF rate, stands adjusted to 4.65%, and the marginal standing facility, that is the MSF rate and bank rate, to 5.15%. The MPC also decided unanimously to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation remains within the target going forward while supporting growth. Let me now explain the MPC's rationale for its decisions on the policy rate and the stance. The protracted war in Europe and the accompanying sanctions have kept global commodity prices elevated, and this is across the board. This is exerting sustained upward pressure on consumer price inflation well beyond the targets in most of the economies. The ongoing war is also turning out to be a dampener for global trade and growth. The faster pace of monetary policy normalization undertaken by systemic.
Yeah, so that was the speech of our Reserve Bank of India governor, wherein he has told about a revision of the rates. Mr. Das said that the MPC vote was unanimous. Additionally, he said the standing deposit facility rate stands adjusted to 4.65% and the marginal standing facility rate and bank rate to 5.15%. He noted that the repo rate remains below the pre-pandemic level. This is what he has said. And the prior to that, yeah, even now it is less than the pre-pandemic level. That is what he says. Thank you so much. Best wishes.